In this video, we'll see about photoelectric transducers. Photoelectric transducers are those which convert light energy into the electrical energy. So they are having some photosensitive material whose resistance will change or which will develop voltage when the light is incident on it. So this photosensitive element will eject or increase the number of electrons when light is absorbed. So what are its types? Its types are photoconductive cell, then photoresistive cell, and photovoltaic cell. So first, so here it is photoconductive and photoresistive both are same. Then there is photovoltaic cell and photoemissive cell. So what is photoconductive cell or photoresistive cell? In this, when the light is incident on this material, the number of electrons will increase and it will change the resistance. So what are the materials used which has the sensitivity towards light? Are the materials are cadmium sulfide, thallium sulfide, cadmium selenide, lead sulfide, or selenium. So when they are not exposed to the light, their resistance is very high, which is called dark resistance. And when they are exposed to the light, the current increases because number of electrons will increase. They will take the kinetic energy from the light, and they will break some covalent bonds, and there is increase in the electrons, which will increase. And when you apply the battery to the material, there will be flow of electrons and the current. So power supply is external power supply is required to get the direction or path to the current. Then photosensitive material, this is one front view of the photoemissive or photoresistive or photoconductive cell. The material is deposited in zigzag manner. Also, to make the more contact with the two electrodes are drawn for the external connection. Next we will see photovoltaic cells. So this is a passive transducer because the battery is needed to have the current flow. So what is photovoltaic cell? Solar cell is called photovoltaic cell. So you know that there is a PN junction. If P and N type materials are combined, there is a depletion region formation. So when the light is incident on this region, then the co- covalent bond breaks up, and the electrons will get more energy to reach towards the holes which are up far away from the junction point. And there is the generation of the negative charges on the p side and positive charges on the n side. So there is a formation of the potential. So it is like a reverse bias p-n junction. There no biasing is provided, but when the light is incident on it, the electrons get more energy and they will jump to the holes which are far away from the junction, and that will create the emf. So it is an active transducer, photovoltaic cell. So solar cell is the example. So what is photoemissive cell? So here cathode and anode. So cathode is its surface is coated with the photoemissive or photosensitive material. When light is incident on it, electrons are generated because of kinetic energy of light, and they will attract towards the anode. Why? Because anode is connected to the positive supply. So here anode is there, it is connected to positive, cathode is connected to negative, light is incident, electrons will get the energy, they can go to the anode. So there is a current flow. What are types of photoemissive cell? Vacuum phototube, gas filled phototube, photomultiplier tube. So antimony, cesium, has photoemissive property.